Hello lovely people, welcome to another insightful video on Ghana's development. This time, I'll be bringing you one of Africa's biggest economic moves that Ghana is currently undertaking. Taking a deep dive into a story that has the potential to completely reshape West Africa's automotive sector. Ghana is finalizing a historic partnership with Build Your Dream, BYD, the Chinese electric vehicle titan that has officially surpassed Tesla in global revenue this year, with a partnership that's proposing to establish a multi-million-dollar electric vehicle assembly plant right inside the country of Ghana. This isn't just a mere partnership, as it will be coming with real machinery, real jobs, and also real technology, coming all the way from China to the Black Star of Africa, which is Ghana. So I'll be tracking down every step of this partnership, and trust me, what you're about to hear will blow your mind, so be sure to stick with me till the end. And before we dive straight into the content, Lemfi wants me to tell you that if you are in Canada, the US, UK or Europe, you can send money right here to Ghana with zero transaction fees. Also, Lemfi is running a promo where you'll be getting 1.5% of your money back once you send more than 50 euro or dollars or pounds to Ghana, made possible when you use my promo code INSIGHTS. Insert INSIGHTS as a promo code and you might be getting the entirety of your money even back, which is a promo Lemfi is currently running. Send $100 to your loved ones and get it right back into your wallet. So download Lemfi and pair it with my promo code INSIGHTS and thank me later. Let's get straight into this video. A few weeks ago, Ghana's ambassador to the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Kojo Oppong-Bonsu, visited Shenzhen, which is the Silicon Valley of hardware in China. He was personally invited to BYD's global headquarters, a sprawling 2.2 million square meter complex that houses everything from battery research labs to fully robotic production lines. The Ghanaian ambassador didn't just get the standard VIP tour. He spent an entire day walking through factories where electric buses, the length of articulated tracks, roll off the line every few minutes, where passenger cars like BYD Seal and Han are assembled with millimeter precision, and where the famous Blade battery, the safest long-lasting EV battery in the world, is born. He saw monorail trains, which were built for cities in Brazil and Egypt, heavy-duty electric trucks destined for Europe ports, and also solar-powered charging stations that BYD manufactures in-house. By the end of the tour, one thing was crystal clear: Ghana cannot afford to miss this moment. BYD is a global company which already has plants in Hungary, Thailand, Brazil, India and Uzbekistan. Suddenly, this grand company, which is a rival to Tesla, is laser focused on Ghana. The answer for this is very simple. Ghana is offering something no other African country can match right now. First, geographic gold. Ghana's Tema Port is one of the most efficient and deepest natural harbors on the entire Atlantic coast of Africa. Beyond political stability, Ghana has changed governments peacefully for over 3 decades. Thirdly, energy advantage. Over 60% of Ghana's grid is already hydroelectric and also solar, meaning electric vehicles assembled here will genuinely be zero emissions from cradle to road. Fourth, the policy firework. There's already a 10-year tax holidays, 100% foreign ownership allowed, and also repatriation of profits with zero restrictions, and full membership in the African Continental Free Trade Area, giving tariff-free access to 1.3 billion consumers. Add a young English-speaking tech-savvy workforce and a government that is already proven it can deliver massive projects like the new 400-acre automotive enclave in Kumasi, and you understand why BYD's executives were reportedly taking non-stop notes during the ambassador's presentation. Ghana is playing chess right here with this move, while everyone around didn't notice. In the closed-door meeting after the factory tour, Ambassador Kojo Bonsu did not beg for investment. He delivered a bold visionary proposal which BYD must commit to aggressive technology and skill transfer as a non-negotiable part of this deal. His argument was brilliant. They are not just giving Ghana an assembly plant that will be bolting together imported parts. They'll be training engineers as well as technicians that will be mastering the blade battery production, allowing Ghanaian companies to eventually supply seats, wiring harnesses, glass and tires, turning the country into a true manufacturing partner, not just an assembly outpost. And here's the wild part: BYD loved it. A company that rivals Tesla loved the proposal from the Ghanaian ambassador. The senior vice president openly acknowledged that Ghana's education system hungers for industrialization, and the strategic location makes it the perfect candidate for exactly this kind of deep partnership. They didn't just agree to talk about it, they fully committed to including technology transfer milestones in the final agreement. This project will be commencing with a semi-knocked down assembly facility inside the Tema-free zone or the new Kumasi Automotive Enclave, which is a possibility to even use both sides as they are all ready for use. Phase 1 capacity 10,000 to 15,000 vehicles per year, focused on electric buses, delivery vans, and also affordable passenger models like BYD's Auto 3 and also the Seagull that cost less than $10,000 in some markets. Phase 2 is already mapped up, moving to complete knockdown with local painting, welding, and battery pack assembly happening locally. And Phase 3, which is the Holy Grail, brings components manufacturing, seats, dashboards, wiring, and eventually blade model assembly plants using imported cells, but Ghanaian labor and also quality control. We are already seeing this project unravel before our very eyes, with BYD, which is the Build Your Dream company of China, already loving what they are seeing here in Ghana. We are talking about a minimum 1,200 direct jobs in the first 3 years, another 4,000 to 6,000 in the supply chain, and tens of thousands more when you factor in the charging infrastructure, service centers, driving schools for EV technicians, and also the recycling facilities. Build Your Dream Electric Company is one of the best in the world. As I earlier stated, this Chinese EV titan officially surpassed even Tesla in global revenue. So this company aiding Ghana is something very monumental. It will be igniting the entire green mobility revolution. The first 200 locally assembled BYD electric buses are already earmarked for Accra's new BRT corridors and Kumasi Metro. That means lower fares for passengers, zero diesel imports for those routes, and cleaner air for millions. Neighboring countries are watching closely. Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, and Senegal will import made in Ghana BYDs duty-free under the African Continental Free Trade Area, and this could signal something very profound for Ghana. 10 years ago, people laughed when African countries talked about manufacturing cars. Today, Morocco is building Renaults and Peugeots, South Africa is building BMWs and Mercedes, and now Ghana is stepping up with the world's hottest EV company to build the future on the African soil, and Ghana demanding to own that future, not just rent it. This is what real sovereignty looks like. This is what the year of industrialization actually means. Ghana isn't just waiting for permission, they are negotiating from strength and vision. And when those first BYD buses hit the streets of Accra, with proudly assembled in Ghana badges, the entire continent will feel it. Do you believe that Ghana can become the EV capital of West Africa in the next decade? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Also share this video with every proud Ghanaian and African you know. Smash the like button if you are ready for Africa to lead the green revolution, and hit subscribe as well as the notification bell so as not to miss any video I bring to you on this channel. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.